All right, so another thought. One of the great joys that I personally have with everything in life is essentially you could just kind of share your view and perspective with others, and there's really no more or less legitimate views. And the joy that I get for the GoPro Fusion is sharing your perspectives based on trying to explore and discover new little nooks, alleyways, things in between. And as you're exploring, you just keep sharing, because certainly there's not any more better or less legitimate views in the world. Essentially it's just sharing what's interesting to you. You're just kind of having fun with it. And the cool thing with GoPro Fusion 360 augmented reality blah blah is you could share the journey, and you could bring the viewer along for a nice ride.